Every day you interact with countless products, each with its own unique story. HCLTech is playing a key role in shaping those stories, driving innovation and progress sustainably with every step. From the life support equipment to the sleek design of your smartphone, the smooth ride of your car, the comfortable clothes you wear, the efficient appliances in your home, the innovative aircraft you fly in, the reliable agricultural equipment that helps produce your food, and the energy solutions that power your world. HCLTech's PLM capability and solutions are behind the scenes, ensuring quality, efficiency, and innovation in every step of the product journey. Our deep-rooted understanding of PLM helps customers extend product innovation across wider business functions, creating a clear vision of product lifecycle data throughout the organization. Next-gen PLM and digital thread solutions are helping develop a flexible and focused business infrastructure to cater to the changing market requirements. HCLTech pioneers solutions to integrate PLM process and data with Gen AI frameworks to enable best-in-class user experience, process efficiency improvement, and data quality. HCLTech's integrated approach to product development helps organizations embrace digital transformation, accelerate innovation, and create cutting-edge products that meet market demands. Our end-to-end PLM expertise guide customers through every stage of their journey. HCLTech's PLM service provides technology and platform-agnostic consulting, helping enterprises choose the right technology, define implementation roadmaps, and effectively estimate the return on investment from the projects. We empower customers to create a seamless digital thread across their entire product lifecycle. This comprehensive approach ensures that our customers realize the full potential of PLM, driving innovation, efficiency, and growth. At HCLTech, we help our customers optimize every facet of their product's journey, from initial design and development to efficient manufacturing and comprehensive service lifecycle management. Leveraging our deep industry knowledge, an expansive suite of solutions, and a strong ecosystem of partners, we empower our customers to reduce time to market for new products, enhance engineering efficiency, and drive meaningful product innovation. By leveraging our deep domain experience and rich engineering legacy, we provide consulting, system integration services, and managed services for core engineering applications and processes, delivering on industry-leading engineering platforms. From concept to reality, HCLTech's PLM capabilities and solutions are shaping the future, one product at a time. Let's engineer the future together.